Hello everyone, and welcome to my series where I will be teaching you the SilverStripe CMS and framework. If you have never heard of SilverStripe before, it is a CMS similar to WordPress or Joomla, but it is much more flexible and a lot cleaner because you will not be relying on plugins. This is what the backend looks like, and as you can tell, it is far cleaner, way less noise than something like WordPress. The framework itself is actually very easy to learn, and we will be using it to create this vlog site. These are just some random images I have on my computer, so don't mind these. But you'll be able to upload thumbnails, the video, and leave comments. You will also be able to search for videos by terms or categories. Some of the things you will need before starting are Composer. If you've never used Composer before, it's a dependency handler for PHP, and it is also what we'll be using to install SilverStripe. You will also need some kind of server solution like XAMPP, MAMP, or WAMP, but I will be using XAMPP in this series. It is also recommended that you have some kind of programming experience and command line familiarity. I'm going to be using the git bash for Windows because the Windows CMD doesn't actually allow for bash commands, and I'm going to use Sublime Text as my text editor. You can use any text editor you like, but this is the one I'll be using. If you have everything I mentioned and you're ready to go, you can head on over to silverstripe.org/download, and in the next episode, we will be installing SilverStripe and running our first build.